Hey, this is Brandon, and I'm going to show you the SellerSuite Misspelling Wizard. This is a pretty unique tool that enables us to check whether or not misspellings are being auto-corrected by Amazon. You'll often come across misspellings in your keyword research, but Amazon is fairly good at auto-correcting misspellings to the proper spelling, and when they do auto-correct, the misspelling is of no value to us. So it's important to only go after misspellings that aren't auto-corrected, and that's where the Misspelling Wizard is especially useful. To get here in SellerSuite, click Misspelling Wizard on the sidebar. Using this tool is really straightforward. All you have to do is paste or type in the misspellings that you want to test and click Test Misspellings. The tool will quickly check whether or not Amazon is auto-correcting that misspelling, and the results will show up on the page as soon as they come in. When you find a misspelling from your keyword research that's not auto-corrected, you'll usually find that there are very few results for it on Amazon. That means that if you put that term in your listing's backend, you'll probably show up on page 1 and be able to pick up some easy sales as a result of having access to this data. The results that are not auto-corrected are selected by default, and you can use this button to export those results to a CSV. But you also have access to all your past searches in your private search history, which you can access by clicking History and Pinned under Misspelling Wizard on the sidebar. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us at any time using the Contact Us page in the web app or by emailing us at support@sellersuite.tech, and we'll happily help out in any way we can.